Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shriya's Safari. Today I'm sharing a quick review of this Burberry men's charcoal check and leather bifold wallet that I gifted to Anshul on our anniversary. It's been about 6 months now and he's been using it every day. So I thought it's the right time to share how it's holding up. Let's start with the unboxing. It comes in this beautiful Burberry box with the brand logo on top. Inside, the wallet is nicely packed in a white dust bag, which looks really neat and premium. So here is the wallet. This is the charcoal check pattern with smooth leather detailing. I love this color combination because it is so versatile. It literally goes with everything, whether it's casual or formal. It's subtle, elegant, and timeless. To make it extra special, I got it customized with our initials, A and S, engraved inside. For the engraving, it was sent to Toronto since I wanted the new font style, and it came back within a week. You can also get engraving done at the Burberry store on Albany Street in Vancouver. Talking about the details, it has 6 card slots, one note compartment for bills. The outer coated canvas feels sturdy and the leather lining gives it a smooth, luxurious finish. After 6 months of daily use, it still looks great. No fading or peeling, and the leather edges are in perfect shape. Overall, it's a beautiful mix of style, quality, and sentiment, especially with the engraved initials. If you are looking for a classy, practical, and meaningful gift for him, this Burberry wallet is a perfect choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gift ideas and lifestyle reviews.